Hey guys, so today I'm going to be talking about the Shea Moisture African Black Soap. This is bamboo charcoal mattifying moisturizing spray. With this product is for blemish-prone skin. If you've never heard of African Black Soap, it is supposed to be amazing for your skin, especially if you are prone to acne or if you just have acne-prone skin. Wow, that means the exact same thing. Anyway, it is made with fair trade ingredients, which is really cool. It's all natural, and I absolutely love this line of products, and I really love this moisturizer. So as far as ingredients, it lists what it doesn't have. It has no parabens, no mineral oil, no propylene glycol. I hope you can see that because I probably butchered that. It has no of that word. No sulfates, and no animal testing, which I love when a product makes sure to tell you that there's no animal testing. And then it has also your list of ingredients there. It is a water-based moisturizer. So the description of this product, it says that this matte finish moisturizer delivers weightless hydration and keeps skin smooth and shine-free. Acne Black Soap helps to balance oily, blemish-prone skin while bamboo charcoal absorbs excess oil. Cooling Aloe nourishes for hydrated, radiant skin. And it says to, after cleansing and toning, spray a small amount of the mattifying moisturizer into the palm of your hand and then massage into your face and neck with upward motions. Yeah, and then it has just a little... So for such a small bottle, it has a lot of information on it. It has a little description of what each thing does. So the African Black Soap clarifies oily, blemish-prone skin. The bamboo charcoal absorbs oil and impurifies to help detoxify skin. And then the aloe soothes and nourishes your skin. Aloe is the perfect thing to use when you're sunburnt, so it's just really good if you're trying to heal from something, or it's a really good moisturizer to put on when you are sunburned. But yeah, and then it has their little story on the back of the company, probably of Shea Moisture, rather than, so you could read that if you wanted to. It's cruelty free. It is just a really great product. That I love this. I love Shea Moisture. It is a 4.2 fluid ounce bottle, so it is a small bottle of moisturizer, but when I show you how to get the product out, you are going to see that this will actually last you forever. Just a comparison, I'll compare it to a coffee mug so that you can see the size of it. It's not going to stand. Maybe it will. There you go. Oh. So like I said, it is a pretty small bottle. I don't know if you want to try it. It's nice if you're traveling. It is above the regulation for TSA to take it as a carry-on on an airplane. They might let you sneak it through though anyway. But even if you don't, it's still really small and will not take up much space in your checked bag, or if you're not flying, it's really great for travel. It's just a nice small size. So it has a cap, and it is a spray, which is very unusual for a moisturizer, but literally 2 sprays and it covered, and that's all you need when you that's it, and it's just, that is enough for my entire, I'm just using it on my hands right now, but 2 sprays is all I usually use when I put it on to my face and my neck. It has it's not a super strong perfumey smell. It's a very, wow, what is the word I'm looking for? I can't think of it. But it's not a very overpowering smell at all. It's almost, I would say, the smell is almost that, you know how when something says odorless, but there is still a little bit of an odor to it, it's still a little bit of a smell. I would say it's like that. Maybe just a tiny bit stronger than that. But yeah, usually I do put it on after toner, so it's usually better to apply moisturizer when your face is just a little bit damp, because it'll absorb to your face, kind of it's like a sponge. Your skin is like a sponge, with a sponge, if you put something on it, when it's dry, it doesn't really absorb, or like soap on it, when it doesn't really absorb. But if you wet the sponge first and then you put the soap on it or whatever it is you're trying to put on it, then it absorbs it really quickly. Your skin works the same way. So I do usually put this right after my toner when my skin is a little damp, and that's why I also only use 2 sprays, do 2 pumps. If I ever do use it without like washing my face, so like maybe at night, or if I just feel like my face is super dry and I don't do like toner and wash my face first, I'll do maybe 3 pumps, just because the moisturizer is not going to go quite as far when I'm putting it on a fully dry face. But even then, I just love this. I have noticed also, like, it doesn't just help with moisturizing your face, like it really does help with like acne too. I've noticed a huge difference with like blackheads on like around my nose. It makes my skin so soft and so smooth, and I just highly recommend this moisturizer, and just anything even from the African Black Soap collection from Shea Moisture is gonna like go a long way if you deal with acne. I would definitely give this a shot. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video.